Orange salmon with sweet potato mash and broccoli. Ingredients: salmon fillet, sweet potatoes, 1 carrot, broccoli, cottage cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, white wine, milk, butter, garlic, orange glaze, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Step 1. Peel the potatoes and cut them into medium-sized pieces about 1 cm thick. Step 2. Put the potatoes in a pot, cover with boiling water and put the lid on. Boil at a medium-high temperature for 30 minutes or until soft. Step 3. Drain the water from the pot, then mash the potatoes. Add whole fat or vegan milk and mix. Step 4. Cut the salmon fillet into bite-sized pieces. Cover with light soy sauce, then sprinkle salt and pepper. Step 5. Smash and cut 1 garlic clove and put it in a preheated pan along with butter. Toss the fillet pieces in. Put the broccoli in the pan, pour some white wine to taste and cover with a lid. Steam for 5 minutes, flipping the bites halfway through. Step 6. Take the broccoli out, put orange glaze on top of the bites, stir to distribute the glaze well, then steam for another minute. Serve with the rest of the ingredients and enjoy.